welcome to the second edition of Christmas with the Rvkeys. So today we want to show you how to decorate your RV for Christmas. And it's really pretty simple, and I think you're really going to enjoy this journey. And what we're going to do is go through the RV and show you what we do. So basically, I do want to address a couple things first. It is the day before Thanksgiving, so I want you all to remember to be thankful tomorrow and every day of the year for your husbands, your spouses, your animals, the fact that you're able to RV, and all those other good things in your life. Let's not forget Thanksgiving just because we're jumping to Christmas. Okay, so if you're ready, we're going to start with the dining area here. And before I do that, actually, some people will see this in the screen, and I want to explain what that is because we always get questions about this. This is actually a vent type thing because there is a vent underneath the in between the bed and the ceiling, and so the air comes and just basically hits the bed. So Ben cut a hole out of this, and now the air is forced into the main living area of the coach. So it's a great tip for anybody that doesn't have a vent to get more air into the back of the coach. Okay, on to the dining room table. Okay, so what we've done here is a few things. This here is just a garden flag that we're going to be putting outside, but it's raining today, so we just stuck it here. But that will go outside. We do have our Christmas tree. Christmas trees are hard when you RV with 3 cats. And we also have our Class A RV decorated for Christmas. We all have to have one of these. I believe we got this one at Sam's Club, but you will find them out at various stores. You just got to kind of search for them. There may even be one on Amazon. I have not looked. We do have our picture because we have 3 kitties. Not exactly these colors, but they're Christmas kitties, and there are Christmas kitties. And this is our real Christmas tree because our cats tear up the tree. So that's what we use for Christmas tree. Now what I want to do is show you, if you're having company, how to decorate your table, etc. for Christmas. So I did show you a mystery box the other day that we'll be getting into in just a moment. One of the items in that box was this Merry Christmas sign, and the letters are separate. You just had to run a ribbon through them. Now I would suggest you look for a good place in your RV to put it, but every time you see it, you'll remember the holidays. But make sure you hang it high enough that it is out of the way of all your cabinets. Okay? So, we're going to decorate for Christmas. You probably noticed the chairs. They are Merry Christmas chairs, and these are actually seat covers. They actually come in a pack of 4, like this, and we'll leave the link in the description below. And this is our pregnant chair. It's going to have a stool, I guess. Now, really, this is a back piece that Ben uses for support. And we can put the link for that. I don't know if anybody would be interested in it, but he works from his desk all day, and so he just covered it, and that's just basically a back support. Okay, we are ready. The first thing we're going to use is some chargers. Again, bought off of Amazon. And I should say, before I bought these, I was going with a green theme. You see my shirt? I saw the perfect plates, napkins, everything, and they went with a camper theme like this. I saw the shirt, I had to buy it. And then, being me, the shopaholic, I found something I like better. So I didn't buy this, but I'll put the link. If you want to use the green and the campers for Christmas, it really is a good idea. But what I did is I bought some chargers. And we're going to decorate here for 2 for the moment, although we're going to decorate for a few more, and if you just hang with me. So basically, we put the chargers out here like this. And I do a lot of throwaway stuff, folks, especially if you do boondocking and such. It's a lot easy, but look at how fancy those look. And now we're going to go into the magical box. So we'll bring the box over here. And let's hide this to last. The first thing we're going to get out are the plates. As you can see, it has a nice Christmas tree. Merry Christmas. I think the red and gold looks very classy. And this is a great thing for Christmas, especially when you have your guests over. And like I said, I'm just setting up for 2 right now. But you see, put that right there in the center of the charger. Look at how festive that looks. Okay, I'm going to leave these off to the side now. Ben's trying to be... Now we have, of course, you got to have your dessert tray ones. These actually say peace and joy. So you can kind of set those off to the side. Now someone's going to probably correct me and say, oh, that should be on the left side or the right side. I think to me what matters is it just looks festive. So We even got the silverware. Like I said, depends if you might be frying a turkey outside. A lot of people like to do that. Other people cook inside and do something totally different. I know some people actually have steak or ham on Christmas, so, you know, it's basically all up to you and how you want to present it. And I think the important thing is that you're happy. So we're going to stick out a couple forks. And just to save time on the video, I'm not going to go ahead and set out the knives and the spoons that also came in this kit. And you see there's a lot of spoons, forks, and knives.
Well, what were those mystery things you showed on the short thing day?
It's a coming. You gotta have patience. I'm sitting here getting video time. Okay, Christmas cups. Again, hello jolly. So you can have your eggnog. And you know what? Since I'm making this film and I'm working really hard, and I'm going to go ahead and pour a little spiked eggnog right there in there. And Ben can have one and I can have one. But not yet because we're working. So we're going to put a little bit of eggnog in there. Little eggnog in here. Who says you can't start Christmas early? These actually we bought at Sam's Club too. There's another one that I actually like better, but I didn't see it this year. Okay, now we have our knives. Again, more silverware, and we have our napkins. Gotta have napkins. And this is a set for several people, so I'm going to show you what you do. So these, I don't like folding. Normally you would fold these in half or something, but it says this is the season. And if you fold it in half, you kind of lose that. So we're just going to go ahead and put that over here and over here. And now that mysterious item. You all want to see what it is? Can you guess? It's straws. Kind of funny, huh? It looks like something different. I was thinking maybe that you could piece it together and make something, but it's actually straws. As always, to save money, they put the stuff in here really tight. I don't know if I can get it open. There we go.
Maybe just call those McGraw. You know? Quick straw, McGraw.
Quick straw, McGraw.
Yeah.
Red and white for candy canes. But I really like the color scheme here.
That's the last straw.
That is the last straw. I got a lot more here. But what we're going to do, one of the things, some of you have a lot more people than just two. So what we're going to do, watch this folks. Now if this is a Fleetwood thing, it's called an adapted table. We just move these chairs out. Pull this in like this.
Grab it underneath.
And grab it underneath here somewhere. So then basically what you do is, there it goes. Okay. So folks, you can turn the table this way. This is why it's lucky to have been around sometimes. And now what we do, as you can see, we got this table set up there. And we can literally turn around and replicate it and have two more right here. Like so. Couple chargers. And then really this is all throwaway stuff. So, but look at how festive it looks, how decorative it looks. I love these chargers here.
And should be noted, we don't use these to charge our phones.
No, we do not.
They have no power whatsoever.
They have the power to throw at you. Anyway, so there we go. So we have a really nice setup. You got the knives, the forks. And again, you can go ahead and do this. And it really, the red and gold sparkled, so it spoke to me more than the green this year. But you'll see the green because I will put a link to all this below. In the meantime, I'm going to take my eggnog and show you some more stuff.
Hey, I thought you said you weren't going to have the eggnog while filming.
I said you weren't. I think. Wait, it's 5 o'clock somewhere, right? We'll go with that. Okay, now over here are our Christmas hats. Gotta have Christmas cheer there. And this is Ben's. So we wear those to Christmas parties. make it a little more spicy. Now over here we have a basket. It's got some snowflakes on it. I couldn't find exactly what I wanted this year, but these are really handy because if you got guests coming, what you can do is throw all the junk that's laying around, the stuff that's on your refrigerator and your reminders, and throw them in there, and it looks nice and neat. And this here is the pumpkin spice cake from Aldi's. This will be later, tomorrow. This here is another one. This is up from last year. I really like the truck design. That's what we did last year. And I'll be making some rum balls. I'll be leaving them right on the counter.
Let's get ready to rumbles.
Now remember always little things like towels and such that say Merry Christmas. You put them on your refrigerator. Red towels that show the color, or green towels around your sink for drying your dishes. That's all very important. Now this year we did not get a red couch cover. We left it gray, but we do have some throws here to keep us warm with the fire. And of course our holiday pillow. So you can see we make it a little festive here in the kitchen living room area. Along with our sign, which this is actually 33 days.
Yes, it's 33 days, but as we're filming this on Wednesday before Thanksgiving, but it says 32.
I know, because we're not going to start the countdown until tomorrow. And besides that, there weren't 2 threes in the pack. So anyway, I do like this because you can change it and it reminds you how much hurrying you have to do around to do any shopping or anything. So it's one of my favorite little things.
I'll tell you, it's so warm in Florida. Why do we have the fire on?
Well, I have this crazy husband that thought we should have a nice background of a fire. Even though we have a fireplace right below it, he puts it on the TV. And it's not crackling because the volume is down, but again, you know, if you're just snuggling and you're sitting here on your computer or your laptop doing a little video editing, YouTube editing, you can look at up and see the fire without getting overly hot because we are in Florida. Although it's supposed to get cold this weekend, so we'll see. We also have our little nativity scene down here. Okay, gotta have the nativity scene. We gotta remember the reason Christmas exists. Okay, and if you don't know, email me and I'll tell you the story. But hopefully everybody knows. We don't do too much in the bathroom. Just a blessed towel, basically. And I saw these while I was putting things away before we videoed. And these are some Christmas fingernails from Color Street. Some gold and red ribbons that kind of match our theme in the house. And the other one are some Christmas lights in silver. So if they're on Amazon, I don't know. I did not buy them at Amazon. They had a lovely women's fair here at Keystone Heights RV Resort. They did a beautiful job, and I bought those there. So, oh, look here. This is our bedroom. This is our Christmas Cat 1. This is Gremlin. And over here is Catch a Can. And you may notice we have 2 lovely beds. Christmas snowflakes, Christmas design. And where are they laying? Of course not in the bed, but on the bed. Normally I use a red velvet bedspread, which I'll put a link to below. But this year I found from Collections Etc. this quilt with cats on it. And you can see I really loved it. It has a nice border of pine cones on one. And then down below that, the red and green diamonds. And I just really like the different colors in it. So I thought this was a good way to spruce up the bedroom. And Cat, would you please get in your bed? So anyway, Cat, I got you these nice beds, so hop into bed and keep the fur off of the sheets. Come on. Ah. Okay, folks, they're not cooperating. Gremlin, get in there. Catch again, get in your bed. Get in your bed. So there's our kitties. There's our kitties all in bed. I don't know if they're too happy about being woken up. We do have a third kitty. They're sleeping up front, so we're just going to let her keep sleeping. And in the meantime, we really hope you enjoy your Thanksgiving holiday. We hope you like the way we decorate our RV for Christmas. And we hope to be seeing you soon. Don't forget to subscribe and like. And remember,
open the doors to adventures.
And start all your journeys with
the RV Cheese.
And eggnog.
Have a nice day and Merry Christmas from the RV Cheese.